How to take video screenshots in CapCut PC. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to take video screenshots in CapCut on PC, open CapCut first. You can easily download CapCut from the App Store. Once the application is open, tap on New Project and import the video you want to take screenshots of. Now drag the video to the clipper firstly to make further edits. Once dragged, tap on the three lines you see above the video and then tap on Export Still Frame. In the pop-up that appears, name the screenshot and select the location you want to export. You can also choose the picture resolution and the format of the picture. Tap on Export Now and you can see the screenshot has been taken successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.